In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find anyone's email address on LinkedIn. Whether you're trying to connect for business or personal reasons, having direct contact can be crucial. So let's jump right in and see how you can access this information, keeping in mind that the process might not always yield results, but it's definitely worth a try. To start, go to linkedin.com. This is the primary step, as LinkedIn is your gateway for professional networking. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in. You can easily do this using your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can use your existing LinkedIn email and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, which is a great way to keep your account secure, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. You'll receive a code on your phone which you'll need to enter to proceed. Next, find the LinkedIn profile of the person whose email address you want to discover. Navigate to their profile page. This is your main point of contact, and it's also where you'll gather most of your information. Now, on their profile page, keep an eye out for a contact info button or section. This is typically located under the person's name or near the top of their profile. Clicking this button will expand a section where the available contact details are displayed. If the person has chosen to share their email address on LinkedIn, it will be right there. Simply click and you'll be able to view it. Remember though that this method relies on the individual opting to share their email publicly. Many people prefer to keep this information private, so there's a chance it might not be available. Another tip is to check if you're a first degree connection with that person. If you are, it increases the likelihood you'll have access to more detailed contact information. Within your network, search for the person and visit their profile. Head to the same contact info area and see if their email address is listed. Again, this will depend on their privacy settings. It's important to keep in mind that LinkedIn respects user privacy, which means not all users will have opted to make their email visible. If you can't find an email, consider sending a direct message through LinkedIn to introduce yourself and request their email address politely. And there you have it, the basic steps to finding an email address on LinkedIn. Whether you're reaching out for networking, potential collaboration, or other professional reasons, LinkedIn can be a powerful tool. Just be sure to respect privacy and use the information respectfully. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you make those valuable connections.